My son seems to really love coding, but he's still way too young to understand lines of code. Is there any toy out there that could actually help him out? After searching around for a while, I decided to grab this CODEE kit. My first impression is the build quality. It's top-notch. Everything feels super solid with premium plastic and child-safe rounded edges.
Welcome to CODEE Box World.
Inside the box, things are split into three main categories: coding blocks, execution blocks, a system of command cards, and a wide variety of mechanical building pieces.
Please connect to control block. Control block connected.
The smartest feature is the magnetic connections with super responsive pin contacts. It can even connect to Wi-Fi for advanced app coding later on. But first, to see if it's easy enough for kids, let's test out the most basic blocks. Let's test the output block with the motor power card and the speed control number block to see how it works. This card is magnetic too, so it snaps right into place, and you can adjust the speed however you want.
Great job! You set the motor to run at 14.0% power. That's a gentle speed, perfect for testing. If you want to make it faster or slower, just change the number in the numeric block. Want to try something new next? I'm here to help.
It even plays voice prompts to guide you through. Once you press the button on the block, the motor spins right away. That seems super intuitive for kids. It's the same with the color-changing light block, super intuitive. All right, let's step it up a bit. I'll throw a loop into the mix to see how it works. It looks like wherever the light trail on the blocks goes, the code follows right along. The moment I cover the sensor with my hand, the command triggers right away. After just a bit of guidance, the kids were able to figure it out on their own. They're so excited because they can build their own creations and bring them to life exactly how they want. No sitting at a computer typing code, and no messing around with complicated wiring or soldering. Now, all they need to focus on is using their logic to connect the blocks. I honestly never expected this. CODEE is a genuinely useful product.